Good evening children. I welcome you all for this online teaching. In our today's video, we are going to see lesson number 7. Okay, from our English reader, lesson number 7. I once again welcome all the students for this online teaching. Okay, everybody take your English reader, turn to page number 53. Okay, turn to page number 53, lesson number 7. The tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay, the tale of Peter Rabbit. Can you see the picture here? Yes, can you see the picture? Yes, how beautiful, isn't it? Yes, it's a rabbit. Okay, there are different types of rabbits with different color also. Okay, rabbits, as we studied in our last Zoom class, rabbits have long ears, two long ears, cute eyes, even it will have two long teeth also. Okay, now coming to our lesson. Okay, see there, once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits. Children, keep your finger as I read, follow my reading. Yes, once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits. Their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They lived with their mother in a sandbank. Okay, their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Okay, children, there were 4 rabbits, little rabbits, and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath the root of a very big fir tree. "Now, my dears," said old Mrs. Rabbit one morning, "you may go into the fields or down the lane, but do not go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Now run along and do not get into mischief. I am going out through the wood to the baker's shop." Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were very good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. Children, see the picture. Can you see the picture here? Yes, count how many rabbits are there. Yes, there are 4 little rabbits and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Among these, who is the Peter? Yes, see this rabbit which is wearing a blue jacket. Yes, he is the rabbit. One morning, this little rabbit's mother called everybody and said, "I am going to baker's shop." Means to buy some maybe bread or biscuits. Okay, she told, "I am going to the baker's shop, so you may go into the fields or down the lane, but do not go into Mr. McGregor's garden." McGregor's garden. Okay, the mother is telling her children, there are 4 children, and she is telling, you all can go to the field and or down the lane, but do not go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay, and do not get into mischief. Mischief means getting into some problem. If you are very naughty, your teacher will beat in the class, isn't it? Yes, that is called the mischief. And she told, okay, go, but be safe. Then old Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella through the wood to the baker's shop. Through the wood means, here children, wood means forest. Okay, through the forest. So Mrs. Rabbit took her basket and her umbrella and started to walk through the forest to the baker's shop. Here the 3 children, that is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were very good little bunnies. Okay, were very good little bunnies means, okay, little rabbits, went down the lane to gather blackberries. This all 3 children, they were very good, so they all went, as the mother said, to the lane to gather blackberries. But see what this rabbit, Peter Rabbit, did. Okay, see in your book. Okay, page number 53, see there, However, Peter, who was very naughty, Peter, who was very naughty, he is the Peter who was very naughty, ran straight away to Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay, the mother said not to go there, but this rabbit, he ran straight to the garden and squeezed under the gate. Squeezed under the gate means, squeeze means what? In the gate, okay, there will be little space under the gate. This Peter Rabbit is squeezed means struggled somehow, and he went under the gate. Then after going there, he first ate some lechu. Lechu means it's a type of a leaf. Okay, he ate some lechu. Okay, he ate some beans, and also he ate some radish. Okay, what will happen if he eats all this together? Yes, then feeling rather sick. Okay, children, feeling rather sick means, I think the Peter Rabbit's stomach was upset. He was feeling, because he ate more, no? So I think he was feeling somewhat sick. So he went to look for some parsley. Parsley means what? It's a type of a leaf. Okay, see here. However, Peter, who was very naughty, ran straight away to Mr. Girger's garden, squeezed under the gate. First, he ate some lechu and some beans. Then he ate some radish. Then, feeling rather sick, he went to look for some parsley. Okay, and then round the end of a cucumber frame. Okay, parsley, I told it's type of a leaf herb. Okay, which may cure, or which may be nice for his stomach upset. Okay, so he went round the end of a cucumber frame. Cucumber frame means what, children? What's a cucumber frame? Okay, see this picture. Okay, see this. Yes, see this, children, wait. This is a type of a leaf. Okay, this leaf they call it as parsley. It's a type of a herb. Okay, this is called the cucumber frame. Okay, cucumber plant will have a weak stem. Okay, the stems will be very weak, so they will put a frame like this. They will put some wooden frame or some, with the help of some support, this stem will grow upward. This is called the cucumber frame. So this rabbit, what it do? It went somehow, it went there. Okay. Okay. See, it went to the cucumber frame, where when it went to the cucumber frame, who was there? To meet, he should meet Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was on his sand. Okay. Can you see in the picture? Yes, he is only Mr. McGregor who was on his sand and knees. Okay, what he was doing there? Okay, what he was doing there? Okay, he was somewhere in the, wait, children. Okay, see here, Mr. McGregor was on his sand and knees planting young cabbages. Okay, he was planting young cabbages, but he jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rag and calling out, "Stop, thief!" Peter was most dreadfully frightened. He rushed all over the garden, for he had forgotten the way back to the gate. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages, and then other shoe among the potatoes. After losing them, he ran on 4 legs. He might have got away if he had not run into Gooseberry's net and got caught by the large buttons on his jacket. It was a blue jacket with brass buttons, quite new. Peter gave himself up for lost and shed big tears. Mr. McGregor came up with a shoe which he intended to use to catch Peter, but Peter wriggled out just in time, leaving his jacket behind him. He rushed into the tool shed and jumped into a can. It could have been a beautiful thing to hide in if it had not had so much water in it. Okay, see, after Peter Rabbit, okay, he came to this garden. He saw Mr. McGeorge planting cabbages. Children, have you seen cabbage? Yes, we all eat cabbage, isn't it? It's very good for health. See, these are the cabbage. Okay, he was planting cabbage on one side and planting potatoes on the other side. When he saw this Peter Rabbit, he was working there, okay? When he saw this Peter Rabbit, he took the sleeves and started to chase the rabbit. This rabbit got very frightened, okay? It got very frightened. He rushed all over the garden. Means he started to run here and there. He forgot the way back to the gate because in tension with the fear, he forgot to go back. He forgot the way. So he started to run here and there. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages. Okay, he lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and other shoe among the potatoes. He ran straight into a gooseberries net. Okay, gooseberry. What is gooseberries? See, this is the garden. See, one side you can see the cabbage, isn't it? And other side, can you see potatoes? Yes, see this Peter Rabbit running very fast. This uncle is chasing. Okay, see, now we lost one shoe. See, can you see both the shoes on both the sides? Yes, one shoe among the cabbages and other shoe among the potatoes. Okay, he ran very fast. What happened now? He ran, or when he ran, he went to gooseberry's net. Okay, children, what do you mean? Can you see the picture? Yes, this is called gooseberry. In Tamil, what you call this? Yes, how many of you like this? Yes, this is what we say nellikai, isn't it? It's good for health. Otherwise, we can say amla also. Yes. See the net. This is the gooseberries net. Okay, some monkeys or some other insects and other animals come and eat these gooseberries. So they will protect by putting the net. So this Peter Rabbit, when he had not run into gooseberries net. He might have got away if he had not run into gooseberries net. Okay, he straight away ran there and his jacket was caught in the gooseberries net. So he lost his blue jacket buttons. Okay, on the jacket, okay, there will be buttons, isn't it? When you wear suit, okay, when you wear coat, okay, have you seen big buttons on the coat? Yes, like that. That jacket means it's nothing but a coat. Okay, there it was a blue jacket with brass buttons, quite new. Okay, this was caught among the nets. But Peter, okay, he was very scared, so he didn't bother. He just left and he ran off. Okay, but what he did? He was crying for he lost the buttons. Okay, Mr. McGeorge came up with the sieve. Okay, sieve means what? Tool used for straining solids from liquid. We all, okay, sieve means, okay, we all use it. You ask your mom, okay, in kitchen also they will use, okay, they will use to strain solids from liquid. For example, when we put some juice, or for example, you can take tea or something. Okay, after making tea, you use the strainer, isn't it? Strainer. So all the solids will be in the strainer and the liquids will flow down. This is called sieve. See here, this man is having that tool used for straining solids from liquid. Yes, this uncle was having this in his hand, which he intended to use to catch Peter. Intended means he planned. Okay, he planned to use to catch Peter, but Peter somehow he escaped. Okay, he escaped. Even he left his jacket behind him. He left his jacket and he ran straight away into the tool shed. Okay, he ran straight away into the tool shed. What do you mean by tool shed? Shed is a place where they keep their things. This is a tool shed. So in tool shed all things will be there which they use for gardening. Okay, with the fear he jumped. Okay, he went inside the tool shed and jumped into a can. Okay, can you see in this picture a can is there? this rabbit, he went inside and jumped inside the can. Okay, but luckily there was no water in that can. Yes, turn the next page. Now, okay, Mr. MacGregor was quite sure. Okay, he knew that Peter was somewhere in the tool shed, perhaps hidden underneath a flower pot. He began to turn them very carefully, looking under each. Now this uncle knew somewhere Peter Rabbit is somewhere here. So what he did? He started to carefully, slowly search where is the rabbit. But this rabbit was sitting inside a can, isn't it? So suddenly this rabbit sneezed. Okay, sneezed. Sneezed means what, children? Yes, tumburth. Okay, so this rabbit suddenly sneezed. So this uncle was after him into no time. He tried to put his foot upon Peter, who jumped out of a window. When this rabbit suddenly sneezed, uncle, what he did? He put his foot on the rabbit, but this rabbit was very clever. He jumped out of the window, upsetting 3 plants. Means he jumped on the 3 plants, and window was too small. Okay, that window was too small for uncle. So he was tired of running after Peter. He was tired of running after Peter. He went back to his work. Now uncle was not, he was little old man, isn't it? So he was not able to run after rabbit. So he started to continue his work. Okay, now Peter sat down to rest. So now Peter was little relaxed. He sat down to rest. He was out of breath and trembling with fright. He had no idea which way to go. Also, he was very damp with sitting in that can. After a time, he began to wander about, looking all around. Okay, children, see now Peter sat down to rest. Again, Peter sat down to rest because uncle went to do his work. So he took a break. He took a breath and trembling with fear, fright. Okay, he was out of breath. Means he was breathing breathlessly and trembling with fright. He had no idea which way to go. Okay, with the fear, he was very puzzled. Okay, he was very tense. So he did not know which way to go. So he sat in that can. After a long time, he began to wander about, looking all around. He again sat in that can and he started to worry. He started to look around. At last, he found a door in a wall. He found a door in a wall, but it was locked. Okay, he saw a door in a wall. It was locked, and there was no room for a fat little rabbit to squeeze underneath. Okay, at last this rabbit, it found a door in a wall, but it was locked, and there was no room. Means there was no place for this fat little rabbit to squeeze underneath. Okay, starting in the gate there was little space, so somewhat it squeezed and came inside. But this was a door which was locked, and there was no place for that to go. Then he tried to find his way straight across the garden, but he came more and more puzzled. He came to a pond. Okay, at last he came to a pond where Mr. MacGregor filled his water cans. A white cat was sitting and staring at some goldfish. Okay, see the picture, children. Yes, see here. Yes, these are the brass buttons. Okay, this is, see this man having in his hand, this is called sheave, means a wood, yes, tool used for straining. See this picture. Yes, now this rabbit, it came, okay, it came near a pond. He came to a pond where Mr. MacGregor filled his water cans. A white cat was staring at some goldfish. Can you see in the picture a cat sitting there? Yes, can you see the water? Can you see the pond? Yeah, in the pond some golden fishes are there. So this cat was staring at this fish. Okay. She sat very, very still. Peter thought it's best way to go without speaking to her. He had heard about cats from his cousin. Okay, now Peter saw this cat sitting near the pond and watching the golden fish. Okay, now he simply just quietly wanted to walk out without talking to the cat. This cat, okay, so little Benjamin Bunny. Okay, I told about the cat. He went backwards to the tool shed, but suddenly, okay, he went backwards. He went back to the tool shed, but suddenly, quite close to him, he heard the noise of a ooh, scritch, scritch. Okay, it was Miss McGeorge owing onions. His back was turned towards Peter, and behind him was the gate. Suddenly, this uncle saw the Peter. So Peter, what he did? He started running as fast as he could. Go along the straight walk behind some black currant bushes. Okay, see, Mr. George caught sight of him at the corner, but Peter did not care. He slipped underneath the gate and was safe at last in the wood outside the garden. Children, see the meanings for here. Who means gardening tool with a long handle. Okay, wood means here forest, as I told you. Now summer. Okay, see, this cat was seeing some. See this cat, can you see in this picture? Okay, this cat is staring. Staring means what? Seeing at one place, seeing the golden fish in the pond. Can you see Peter Rabbit running backward? Yes, running backward. Yes. Oh, this is, see, this is known as HOE, which is used to water the plants. Yes, see, now rabbit, uncle saw the rabbit, but rabbit did not mind. Okay, he ran very fast into the event. He ran very fast. He slipped underneath the gate and was safe at last in the wood. Wood means forest outside the garden. Okay, children, did you like the story? Okay, see a golden fish. Yes, these are the golden fish. Yes, many of you will have in your house, isn't it? This how beautiful they look. Yes, somehow this rabbit escaped. So, what is the moral of the story, children? Okay, what is the moral of this story? Yes, always you should obey your parents. You should obey your parents. The mother, Mrs. Rabbit, said them not to go into the Mr. McGeorge's garden. But all the three children, they were very good children, isn't it? So they obeyed their mother and they were very safe. But this Peter Rabbit was very naughty. So he got into a mischief. But somehow with great difficulty it escaped. Okay, we should not be like this. We should be like the three children who were very obedient. Even we should obey our parents and listen to them and be good children. Okay, children, read this lesson again. Okay, and try to find out all these book back answers. Okay, try to complete all the book back answers. I will ask you and I will check you in the next Zoom class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.